What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to be worth a lot more than people think. People tend to get stuck in a "what have you done for me lately" type of attitude. With anything, honestly, it could be a massive utility coin or even the stock market or gold, right? It's about what have you done for me lately? And because Shiba Inu hasn't done much for many people lately, they tend to write it off. And I think with that, that's why you have a lot of these larger swings in the crypto market. So seeing that Shiba Inu coin is a meme coin, seeing where it is today, and seeing the still massive popularity that it does have, this is what leads me to believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to be worth a lot more than people think. So what I want to talk about is SHIB. I want to talk about, kind of where again my head is. I've talked about that, as well as the fact that it's going to shock the world and how it's going to shock the world. So if you guys could make sure that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, you can do that with those links in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for BTCC if you guys are interested in that. It is a great platform that I've been able to utilize for over a year at this point, and it's been amazing, right? I've had a lot of success. I've had some failures as well, but majority of it has been success. If you use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you could trade up to 40% lower trading fees. And there's also a giveaway going on. So if you sign up, deposit, and trade using my link, you will be entered to win a giveaway of 375 USDT. This is for two different users. So if you enter this giveaway, you have a better chance to win this giveaway than any other giveaway that you would have. I'll be completely honest. You have a better chance with this giveaway than any other place. So sign up, deposit, and trade. Get your name in the hat, and also start trading. Right, whether it's actively, long-term, leverage trading. Learn what your strategy can be, because you might be able to make a large amount of money from doing this. But make sure you invest sparingly. You're not investing at a 500x leverage every time. Do a 2x leverage. Learn what fits your strategy the best. So anyways, check it out. Link is at the top of the description, and you can get signed up today. Now, Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin currently stands at a 505995 level. It is up by 1% today, and we're seeing it at a $3.5 billion market cap. $148 million worth of volume. You're looking at about 3 million holders with 589 trillion in circulating supply. Now, I've talked about this and why I don't really believe that Shiba Inu is something that you're like, oh, I'm going to hold for the long term and gain in value as you move along. Now, granted, you could say that that can be the case, because if you are going to maybe see burns, no matter how small those burns are, the highest market cap will be a higher price in the future, right? If I have a $10 billion market cap, a $10 billion market cap now will be worth less than a $10 billion market cap later, right? So you can say that that could be the case. But when you talk about a massive use case and utilizing it for the long term, that's not really Shiba Inu's market or vibe. What it's all about is the FOMO, being able to gain a lot as a retail investor from, a meme coin, from a coin that just has popularity. And also being able to even build off of the community and seeing the community end up building something that has potential use cases rather than, just sitting there. Now, again, 2 million watch lists, 3 million holders. It's a phenomenal position. Now, more recently, we haven't seen that meme coins or anything haven't really done a thing, right? The current meme coin market is sitting at a $29.6 billion market cap, with Dogecoin even sitting at a $14.4 billion market cap, less than 10 cents. Shiba Inu, again, at $3.5 billion, and then you have other things, Meme Core at $2 billion, Pepe at $1.4 billion, and so on and so forth, right? You've seen Pepe move to higher levels, you've seen Shiba Inu move to higher levels. Now, my mindset is that we are going to see the top meme coins have massive moves. And I think with a lot of people that believe the cryptocurrency market is over or whatever, it's at a low point, it's a bear market, whatever the case may be, you're not seeing the positivity out of it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, many people are stuck in this "what have you done for me lately" moment and mindset. And I understand where you're coming from, but that's what's ultimately going to take away from whatever gains you can have. Because there's a lot of opportunities in the market right now, and there's a lot of opportunities for Shiba Inu. I can say at a guarantee, in my opinion, at a guarantee, I believe Shiba Inu will at least have a 10x from where we are right now. At least, right? So if you're looking for anything and you're like, all right, I don't know if I can accept a $200 billion market cap for Shiba Inu, or a 300 billion. Let's say it can get to 100x, right? I don't know if you can accept 100x to a 350 billion dollar market cap, but seeing it get to a $35 billion market cap after it has been there in the past, seeing the level of popularity and amount of money and interest that goes into cryptocurrency, and say that it can't get to a $35 billion market cap right below kind of that max level of 40 to 50 billion dollars that it did get to say that it can't do that, in my opinion, is blasphemy, right? I think it's in my opinion, I'll say it again, guaranteed to get to that level, to where we will see that 10x. So it will shock the world for the many people that say the same thing. Oh, it's just a meme coin, I'm getting into utility projects. While that is true, and you should get into utility projects, you should be into what crypto will do for the world rather than just what it's doing right now. You also can see major success in some of these meme coins like a Shiba Inu, and be able to gain a lot in the end as a retail investor, to then have capital to invest into some of these larger, utility like cryptocurrencies for the long term, right? So I want to know what your opinion is, right? I've given my opinion plenty of times for SHIB and what it will do, but I want to know what your opinion is in the comment section below. If you guys could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Twitter, for Patreon, for BTCC, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.